I got it.
What?
The craziest idea ever. The greatest idea we've ever had. What if I make my own channel dedicated to shenanigans, builds, unconventional builds, dangerous builds. Builds that people could do at home, but probably shouldn't do at home, Jeff.
Like what?
Like tater tot shotguns.
Oh my God.
Flaming axes.
Burning.
All kinds of crazy stuff.
That sounds amazing, but also kind of dangerous.
Yeah, it could be dangerous. I recommend nobody do any of the builds at home. Jeff, but we need a name for the new channel. Something that sounds smart, but also leans into the jankiness of our builds, maybe?
Right.
Shed Logic.
Ooh, I like it.
Now you like that? You know what the best part about this is, Jeff?
What?
You're already on the channel. This is the first video. You're already on it. You're living the dream right now.
Seriously, right now?
Yeah, right now, man.
Wait, does that mean that I should subscribe and hit that notification bell?
Of course you should.
Well, I'll do it right now.
You should also share all these videos with literally everybody you could possibly send it to. Do it now, Jeff. Join us on this amazing, glorious journey to build the future.
It still sounds dangerous.
Yeah, it probably is. It'll be a fun ride, though. All right, one more thing before you go. I wanted to thank Brian and Jason for helping me on this crazy journey, and Modern Rogue and Scam Nation. Also, I will still be on Modern Rogue and Scam Nation and all the other projects around here, but I'll definitely be doing a lot of stuff here on Shed Logic. I just want to thank those guys for all the support.